It took me close to 1 year to make my first $100,000 on Amazon, and if I had known what online arbitrage was before, I would have reached that goal way faster. Arbitrage is just a fancy way of saying buying low at one place and selling higher at another place. Online arbitrage is buying those low-priced items on online retailers such as Walmart.com, Nike.com, all those websites that you already use, and selling them on online platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, all that. Arbitrage is probably the oldest business model in the world because markets have been and will always be inefficient to some extent. I am not going to bore you with economic concepts, but if you want to make money in that space, your goal is to milk those inefficiencies the most as you can. What I love about this business model is that first, you don't have to promote or run ads for your products, as you are already looking for products that are in demand. 2, you can flip your money super fast. You don't have to conceptualize a product, contract a factory, ship your product from China to the US, and you don't have minimum order quantities, so you can start with a very low amount of money. I actually started like this. It's called private labeling, and it's when you order products from China, you put your brand on it, and you sell it on Amazon. It takes 3 to 4 months to have your first sale. Add a few months to that to finally see your money back. And God forbid your product actually flops and you lose all your investment. When you do online arbitrage, you can actually buy a product today, receive it tomorrow, and sell it the same day. And if you do it with Amazon FBA, you don't even have to do customer support. You don't even have to ship your product yourself. You just ship all your products at once to Amazon warehouse and they take care of everything. A lot of people actually never touch or see the product that they sell. After buying the products online, instead of shipping it to their house, they ship it to a company that do all the preps. So sticking the barcode labels, polybagging the products, and then these companies ship it to Amazon warehouses. I personally prep my product myself as of now, but I'm going to make the move to a prep center. This is what these companies are called. Pretty soon. You can run this business from anywhere in the world. So if you want to learn how to actually find profitable products for Amazon FBA doing online arbitrage, check out this other video.